don't apply powder on your baby's skin. You know that your infant can actually maintain that fair complexion he or she was born with, even when both parents are dark. Yes, it is possible. I have seen a lot of moms applying tube creams on their baby, mixing Format A in their baby's cream, simply because they want their baby skin complexion to remain fair. And I'm like, why? You are damaging your baby's skin. It is very, very wrong. Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's Edith Francis. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, do well to hit on the bell subscription. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you can always get notified when next we upload an interesting and educative video like this. Alright, in today's video, we are going to be talking about products that you can use to maintain your infant skin complexion. You know, most at times when we give birth as mothers, your baby's skin complexion will be fair. And along the line, the baby's skin complexion might change. That is when both parents are dark or a parent is dark or you don't use the right skincare product on that baby, that infant can turn from being fair to being dark. And so many parents always love their child to maintain that fair complexion. That is why I am here to help you. If you're among those parents that want your infant complexion to remain fair even till they grow up and you are a dark mom, come closer. Then it's síwájú. This video is for you. But if your baby's complexion already switched from being fair to dark, please, this video is not for you. Don't use any of this product because it is going to lighten your baby's skin and that baby might have skin discoloration and you wouldn't want that, okay? But if your baby is still fair, your infant have not switched to being dark, then this video is for you. Before we dive into the right products that you should use on your infant skin to help them maintain that fair complexion they were born with, here are some dangers you should know of using tube creams or bleaching creams on your baby. Using these tube creams, because I've seen a mom who uses Format A on her baby's skin and the baby was looking so white, and to her baby is bright the way she wants her baby to be fair, not knowing that she is endangering her baby's skin. The danger, your baby's skin can become very light, and when your baby's skin is light, the melanin dies off. On a normal, baby skins are 7 times lighter or more sensitive than we adults. Just imagine, even as an adult, when you abuse Format A, it makes your skin thin and it also gives you some kind of breakout. Now imagine you using that on your baby, you're damaging your baby's skin. And for those parents that apply bleaching creams on their baby's skin because they want their baby to be fair, you are endangering your baby to rashes. Those creams can give your child dangerous rashes, okay? It can also give your child sunburn, yes. And it could also give your child hyperpigmentation. It could make your child's skin look dried. It could make your child's skin look flaky. It could also make your child's skin crack, and you wouldn't want that, okay? These products I'm going to be showing you are products that are going to help your baby's skin look moisturized, soft, beautiful, and maintain its fairness the baby was actually born with. To help your baby maintain his or her fairness that that child was born with, you have to consider using the right moisturizer, the right soap or body wash, the right body oil to maintain that color. Then you have to pay attention to this set, this product set that I would be mentioning, and I will urge you to stay to the end of this video because the number 5 product is something that is going to wow you, something that is going to give your baby that sweet, rich kid vibes. All right, now the first product, the first set that we are going to be looking at is Baby Secret Vitamin C. We all know about this product, okay? Some of you might not know, but baby secret is another beautiful, okay, product that you can try on your baby's skin. If you're a mom that your baby is still light skin and you are sure, you know that your baby is going to go dark, even when your baby is not going to go dark, you just want your baby skin to maintain that beautiful fair looks, okay, you can make use of this product. Note, if your baby skin have turned dark, I mean totally dark, because you as a mom you're dark, or the father is dark, or both parents are dark, please don't make use of this product. But if you know your baby turned dark because of the wrong product, okay, probably you are fair or your husband is fair and you know the baby is a fair child and the baby got dark, you can as well make use of this product, okay, or you want your baby to maintain that fair look even when you are a dark parent but your baby is still fair from birth, okay, this product is a must use, okay, on your baby. It is very, very, very comfortable, very, very suitable. It is going to help your infant or your baby maintain her complexion, okay. Now the moisturizer is very moisturizing. It's not something that is going to dry up your child's skin or give your baby sunburn or give your baby rashes, because some of these products you use that is not suitable on your baby skin or that doesn't sit well on the baby skin is going to give your baby rashes, okay. So if you have a baby and you're noticing red rash coming out on your baby's skin constantly, even when it is not a period of heat, you notice that red rashes are coming out. Even when it is a period of heat, you notice that this rash is becoming too much. Please stop whatever you're using. You might be using the wrong product on your baby. But you see, this cream, it's not going to give your child hyperpigmentation. It's not going to give your child green vein. It's not going to give your baby sunburn. It is just wonderful on your baby's skin. And note, I have heard about some people saying this baby secret made their child skin very, very light. Now, don't forget, I will always tell you, when trying out a new product, pay attention to your skin. Same thing applies to when you're trying out new products on your baby skin. You pay close attention to your baby skin. If you find out that this cream is lightening your baby so much, I'm going to tell you what you can do at the end of this video. So don't skip this video, don't cut this video, because you might as well miss what is going to help your baby's skin. The next moisturizer, or the next set we are going to be looking at, is Fairchild. You all know that this list will not be complete without Fairchild. You all know it's not be complete without me mentioning Fairchild, because Fairchild is not just a product I just studied about or I just heard about it. It's a product that I've been tested and trusted. Okay, Fairchild is one beautiful set that you should try out. All right, you can try out the body wash. There is also a bar soap, but I tried out the body wash. Okay, the body wash is so good. It's going to help your baby skin remain soft. It's not going to give your baby rash, and the moisturizer also. In fact, this set is awesome. This set is beautiful. If you want your baby to maintain that fair complexion from infancy, then this set is one set you shouldn't sleep on. Don't forget, I am emphasizing on this. If your baby have turned from being fair to dark as a result of both parents being dark, please don't make use of this product. But if your baby is still fair, you can make use of this product. Or if your baby turned dark as a result of wrong products, you are fair or your husband is fair, or you know that this baby is fair because there's someone in the family that is fair, but the baby turned dark due to wrong products, you can as well make use of this. Okay, let's continue. Fairchild is one beautiful product we cannot even just skip when you're talking about maintaining your baby's beautiful skin texture. Okay, this cream, I kid you not, when you see your baby's skin, your baby is going to look like those children that was born and brought up abroad. Like, I cap not, I kid not. Okay, it is tested and trusted. You can get it with the body wash and you are going to love your baby skin, like, I kid you not. Yeah. All right. Fairchild has different colors. It has the white, It has the pink, it has the yellow, and it has the orange. Now, the one I tested for a fair child is the orange container. This orange container is very suitable for a fair child. For this pink container, I have seen different reviews saying that it made their baby got dark. So I can't recommend it because I haven't tried it. And the reviews I have seen about this pink one is not what I like. But the orange one is tested and trusted. I have tried it myself. I have seen a lot of reviews about it and I have tried it on my baby's skin and I have also recommended it. And the babies that I recommended it for, let me not just talk, just go and buy it and you will enjoy it. Next set we are going to be looking at is Blemish Care Kids Glow. Guys, you can see this picture on the screen now. This is one beautiful, amazing set you can try out on your baby. Like, this set is not a set that you use once the baby have passed an infant or past being a toddler, you should change, okay? You can use this set even when your child is more than an infant, more than a toddler, you can still keep on making use of this set. This set is mind-blowing. Like, you're going to love it. I kid you not, I cap not, you are going to love it. This set is one set that you would not regret. You will not feel you've wasted your money. In fact, you will thank God you bought this product and your baby is going to be happy with you all the rest of he or she's life because the baby skin is going to glow and pop, 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 pop. All right, this set is very beautiful. Your baby skin will remain soft, no rash, no sunburn, no green veins. Please don't make your baby skin look like Iyashukura baby skin. Mm, Allow your baby skin look classy, rich, anti-vibes baby. Okay, now this cream is going to give you that vibes you want on your baby skin. The sixth cream on our list. Somebody shout power.
Fire!
This set is no other but the Chico baby moment. This Chico baby moment is another amazing. Like, guys, if you know, you know. I don't need to preach too much about this Chico baby moment. This is one baby set that is going to help your baby skin look beautiful. When I mean beautiful, I mean beautiful. If there's any other word other than beautiful, just say it, okay? Put it down. This cream is one amazing cream that is going to help your baby skin look heavenly, soft, beautiful, no reaction, no hyperpigmentation, no dryness, no flaky skin, no dark spot, no red rash. Your baby skin is going to be so beautiful. Now this cream is moisturizing, is hydrating, is so nice. You're going to love it on your baby skin. Both the soap, the wash, the oil, everything is wonderful. Everything is a good go. Buy it and come back and testify on my comment section. Okay, now the sixth set we are going to be looking at for your baby is Lamoline Baby Glow Vitamin C set. In fact, guys, everything I'm mentioning here is just like blowing my mind. Just that you cannot pack everything and use on your baby skin. You're going to damage your baby skin. But that is an abuse, okay? Now, this set is another beautiful set. Like, God, I don't even know what to say. All these products are amazing. Okay, this Lamborghini baby glow, whatever. This set is another beautiful set. Oh God, very amazing. Try it on your baby skin. You will come back and appreciate me. You will send me super chat. You will send me super chat for this product, for this secret I'm releasing to you now for free of charge. Guys, you will send me super chat. You'll be so happy that you bought any of this set I have mentioned. Now, this Lamoline set is one set that you would love. Like, guys, you would love it. Like, guys, you would love it. This set is so beautiful. The cream, the oil, the soap, the body, everything is a must try out on your baby's skin. Like you're going to love it. Okay, you're going to love it. It's going to give your babies that radiant glow, beautiful ajebo skin. Even when you are ajepako, apply any of these products, okay, on your child's skin. And when you go out, they'll be looking at you like, this person God, oh. People are going to applaud your baby skin. People are going to love your baby skin when you go out. All right. Now let us come back to the secret I wanted telling you. If, okay, this baby secret becomes too active on your child's skin, or the fair child becomes too active on your child's skin, or any of these products here becomes too active on your child's skin, this is what you should do. Before we go into that, let me tell you this thing, so you will not make this mistake and at the end you come back and say it is a product that is giving your baby red rash. Now, once your baby is still an infant from 0 to 6 months old, don't apply powder on your baby's skin. I know most of us don't know about this, and I know how we grew up. Our mothers always apply powder on baby skin. That is why you will see those babies always have rashes. Yes, I have witnessed it. I have fallen victim about it. Okay, don't apply powder on your infant skin until your baby crosses 6 months. Okay, so you won't make that mistake and start thinking it is any of these sets that is reacting on your baby. Okay, make sure you don't apply powder. Even if you're not making use of this set, don't apply powder on your baby skin. When you apply powder, you will see all those red rash coming out of your baby skin. If your baby is having those red rash, stop using the powder. Treat the red rash and see if those red rash is going to come out again from your baby skin. All right. Now let's dive into when this cream become too active, or if this cream become too active, these sets become too active on your baby skin. What you are going to do is, when applying the baby lotion, the moisturizer on your baby skin, you get a blue seal Vaseline, okay? Get a blue seal Vaseline, apply it on your palm, then you take the baby moisturizer, apply it also on your palm, massage it together and rub it on your baby skin. That way, it will reduce the effectiveness of the product. That is, if the product tends to be overactive on your baby's skin, it's making your baby overlight more than the way you want it. Okay, don't put it inside your baby's moisturizer. Don't do that. On your palm, massage it and apply it on your baby. It will reduce its effectiveness. It will just allow the skin just be glowing and bright to the way you want it to be. If you found this video helpful, come on now, hit that bell subscription, punch the bell notification so you can get notified when next drop another interesting video like this. On my next upload, I'm going to be dropping just baby soaps. Yeah, because some of these sets might be too expensive, you might not be able to afford it, but I'm just going to give you baby soaps that you could use that is still going to help your baby skin look beautiful. So you have to punch that bell notification so you can get notified when next we drop the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Have you tried any of these moisturizers before? Or are you planning on buying any one? Are you a waiting mom and you don't know what to use? You can try out any of these. Leave a comment below if this video was helpful. Bye.